Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. Just to remind you who I am in case you forget, wouldn't want that. So I'm back with another giveaway entry. So a lovely crafty person making something for my giveaway, which is due to end around the 31st of May. I will be flexible if you've already given your excuses in and they're very justifiable. So I'm not a really strict person, but I would do my best. So this one came today, and I just showing it's a little bit scuffed up, and I just because I want you to know I'm sure that's not how it was posted. I think my postman got a bit overly carried away trying to cram things through the door, and didn't take the due care and attention that he or she could have been could have been the one who's not my normal postman, I don't know, and just shoved it through. Just showing you that lovely little tape wrap with love. So the card is slightly bent, but do you know what? I think it is still beautiful, and these things happen, especially with postmen, don't they? How cute is that? Lovely colour scheme. I love the way you've got the bird to stamped. I believe that's a stamp. It looks like a stamp to match the colour of your card. Really cute, isn't it? Really sweet. And it's from Vicky from Crafty Heaven. And I've only just found Crafty Heaven, the YouTube channel, through her sort of commenting on my video and wanting to enter. So it's a nice way to get to know different channels. And she has lots of videos on there. So I'll definitely link her below so you can have a look. So here's my giveaway entry, included different holidays from a teenager to my 30s. And all holidays are memorable, aren't they, for lots of reasons. And I did see that she's showing this on her channel, but I'm going to show it again for anyone who's not on her channel. And this gorgeous little charm has fallen off, probably when the postman crammed it through my box. So I can only guess this went on the Paris themed bit, but I don't want to stick it back on until I'm 100% sure where it went. So look how gorgeous. So Paris, Red Craig Hotel, I'm assuming that's where she stayed. It's beautiful. Cabochon, are they called? Not entirely sure. And lovely hearts in there. She's been to Disneyland. I think that was Disneyland Paris, because it says on the back. Yep, Disneyland Paris. I've never been to any Disneylands. Does that make you feel sorry for me, or am I lucky that I've not endured the intensity of people? I would like to go to a Disneyland one day, or a Disney World. And I believe that is her and her husband. It's not really showing in all its glory, I don't think. But you can see they look like a happy couple. Cold hands, I'm noticing. I get cold hands too. I can relate to that, especially in Scotland. Beautiful place though. These flowers are gorgeous, aren't they? And a woman after my own heart. She's been to Cadbury World. I went to Cadbury World. I went when I was at university. So we're talking back when I was about 18. Yeah, about 18 years old. I have to think about that one. Great fun it was. That's quite a long time ago. So it probably has changed quite considerably since then, but it was a good time. And she looks like she's made some friends there. Well, that looks like the bunny from, was it Galaxy or something? And I have no idea who that is, but, you know, he looks friendly, I guess. And the seaside, of course, and that's her with her children. Those twins look like a handful, don't they? I think he's upside down. The best kind in Somerset. Lovely. And on the back, she has shared that in France 2001, holiday with friends, staying at the Red Craig Hotel. Disneyland Paris in 2001. So went travelling for a month with friends and went to Italy and Paris. Sounds like fun. Scotland 2007, mine and my husband's honeymoon. Ah, no wonder they looked happy. I'm sure they're still very happy. Cadbury's World 2014. Also, I bet it has significantly changed since I went. It's a lot more time before then. Family holiday in 2018. So that's the most up to date, that one. And she says, I'm the dog. Did you notice the dog? Oh, there. Lovely. Gorgeous children, but you can't leave the dog out, can you? Because they're very important too. And she's also very generously popped some goodies in, which are absolutely not necessary, but of course I love it when you do. Oh, that's Stitch. I've not seen the film, but I've watched enough Disney YouTube videos to know that. How cute. And that is, he's from Madagascar, isn't he? You can tell I'm not a big Disney fan, but you know, I do enjoy the films. I'm not one of these big Disney people. And that's, of course, Simba. And I do love Minnie Mouse, though. She's the coolest. Just love her style. You know, she knows her style and she sticks to it, and it's pretty trendy. Gorgeous gems. Lovely colours. And so I'm not commenting on the fact that this pocket letter is slightly different shape to normal pocket letters. That's because I've already seen her video where she said she found a load of these, I think, in her loft or something. And it's quite cool. I like I like something different. Those are pretty, aren't they? And last but not least, I do love my lace, and she has popped some in, so that's beautiful. So thank you very much to Crafty Heaven. Do go and check out her channel, which I will post in the description box. I will do it. I know sometimes I say I'm going to post something and I don't get around to it, but I will do that because that's beautiful creation. So go and check out what else she has been making whilst I go back and look at the film and work out where to glue that one back on. Speak to you soon. Bye.